Hello guys, so Sexy Smooth Wax sent me over their Purple Seduction, which is in 3 bags. So I'm going to be reviewing this today. I actually just cleaned out my wax pot, so we're going to be filling this guy up. I've seen so many reviews on this wax, so I'm just so happy that I'm going to review it for you guys. And thank you to them that sent this over to us. I'm actually gonna fill up this whole pot just because like it's October and Purple Wax is gonna hit. And it's a little sticker. Cute. So I'm gonna be doing an underarm demo today, but before I do that, I obviously want to test it on myself and then see how it feels. So we're gonna see how this looks. It's just so pretty. Look at this color. Okay. I'm just gonna do it on my arm. Oh, this is super like velvety. Oh, that feels amazing on actually. The dry time is really good too. Look at this color, guys. That's so pretty. The dry time is really good. Right? Okay, I love this. It's super elastic too.